is an analog right here. So for instance, 0, 1, 2, and 3. 0, 1, 2, and then tomorrow 3. My expectation for tomorrow is going to be a down day, contracting downward spread, touch of support, and demand tail. So that's the character of the bar that I'm expecting tomorrow. So something akin to what we've had here. And if that happens, so something like this, maybe with some ability to rally into, attempt to rally into today's day. And then from here, there are two scenarios. We're trying to rally again and we're falling, or we're just basically falling right away. And I think, Bruce, the next 2 weeks is going to be that increased volatility and kind of like a capitulation, maybe like 2-3 weeks. And we just need to take this energy of selling and materialize it into something that is where everybody is selling, because the sentiment is still, we have in a sprint. This is not a capitulation sentiment. We're in the oversold condition, so Ramon, we need to rally. This is not a capitulation sentiment. So we need such capitulation where everybody is on board that we are in a downtrend. Everybody is on board with selling. Everybody is scared. And Bruce, maybe 300th episode might be very interesting.
Could be a scary episode. Well, the thought that I had, because I really love your analysis, I have nothing to add to that other than if we were to get some kind of a stabilization here for a period of time, I'm wondering if this area that we're in right now isn't the ice, and that we could consolidate this without being able to get much in the way of lift back above the overhanging resistance area, and then there's maybe a few weeks of just very quiet, dull markets, and then trouble comes. And so that would be the only thought I have. I mean, it's like I said, it's a little bit too much of a nuance, I think, but it's a possibility for what could happen. And so that would be the only thing I would be able to add at this point, other than I did take a quick count of the area that we just discussed on the S&P, and got a count. Let's see, I marked it up. 3250, 2950 on the daily one box reversal method of the chart we just looked at. And then if you take all the way across, you get 31 columns. It takes you 3250, 2950.